Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the home page. We have firstly here become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants. To select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. So first of all, we have here apply now. So you click over it. Once you do that, you will find other page which is apply to become a Shopify affiliate. So you click over sign up and you will find this page. You have sign up with email. You write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password, then your mobile number. Then you click over here and over here and then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have here how would you categorize your business. Select the option that best describes how to interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. You have your social influencers, content and reviews, loyalty or rewards. You have deal coupons, email newsletter, search comparison. We have network here, technology solution. Then we have cross audience monetization. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find other page which is add social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms. You can select Instagram or Facebook, X and Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat or Weibo. So you select the one you want and then you will find this page. Tell us about yourself. We have here first individuals or company, then we have here account display name, so we have just to read it. Then you have country or region here, for example Algeria. Also we have United States also. You can just select the one you want. Then you write your first street address, your second street address, your city, and then you write your zip code. Then we have here time zone, for example here you choose Lisbon. Then here we have currency. Of course I will choose dollar. Then I will click over submit. So in the home page we have here various information. For example, here we have two ways to refer and earn. Shopify plan referrals. Get paid when you refer new merchants to all eligible Shopify plans. Then you have Shopify Posse Pro referrals. Earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify draw that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So we have here joined thousands of affiliates from across the globe. We are committed to success. Then we have here also frequently asked questions. For example, here we have what is the Shopify affiliate program? Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then we have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, then have read and agreed to the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. Then we have here how well I know if my application is accepted. Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does a payment work? What information can I track about the merchants I refer? What are Shopify's brand guidelines? So this is how it works. So right now I will show you how you, you will earn commission with Shopify. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each one. So first of all, we have here YouTube. For example, here we have top 10 Shopify dropshipping products for February. So we have just to scroll on down, then you click on this link. Once you do that, you will find other page which is Shopify. Then you will find this person. You can earn commission, and also you can create your own content and you share your link, then you earn commission by if someone click on your link. So for example, we have YouTube. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products that sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have here TikTok. So TikTok thrives on creativity in short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify finds to increase visibility. Platforms fair nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have the last one, which is Instagram. So Instagram, you can just creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way, and also consistency and authentic engagement with your followers will help you build a loyal community that values your recommendations. So each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links. So experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.